Rajat. I'm doing my first year engineering at SVC Bangalore. So I'm going to talk about this topic called solid waste management and factors affecting them. So as the introduction, solid waste management has an hidden potential towards sustainability. So when there is an developing factor, there is also an opposing factor. So yeah, let's learn about the opposing factors and little about solid waste management as well. So why should we care? Like in the later 2000s, we hadn't cared about it as it was not a big issue back then. But now it's not a joke. So every year we produce tons and tons of wastes, which is affecting our health, environment, and economic activities directly or indirectly. So we'll explore ways to deal with this problem and have a sustainable future. So as we learned in our schools, the three R's or the three rules, reduce, reuse, and recycle are three minimal activities, which is a good step towards sustainability. So yeah, composting, nature's recycling. So the first step in this is getting your hands dirty in a way which helps your world. Okay, it basically composting is like magic. It turns kitchen and scrap wastes, basically organic waste, into nutrient rich soil. So this unleashes the power of nature's recycling and stuff. It also contributes to a greener and healthier planet. So when you explore waste streams, it is mainly divided into organic plastic and electronic wastes. So each stream can be valued equally or not equally as it's valuable in its own way. So there are waste management challenges. For example, first the cleaner segregates things and sends it to a recycling plant, or the garbage truck does it, or the waste container has to be transported to the recycling plant. It has many ways, but we are going to concentrate about the waste management challenges. So the first one is population growth, urbanization is the second one, third one is waste composition, fourth is economic development, fifth is technological advancements, sixth is geography and climate. So more than challenges, these are hurdles. So improper filling of landfills can also cause problems for our nature. So we can also learn about the proper and effective waste management without any hindrance. So yeah, factors affecting solid waste management in an abbreviated way compared to the last slide. So population growth, it is the first one. It when there is a rapid population growth, there is also a mass amount of waste generated. So we can also tell that population growth is directly proportional to waste generation. So this puts a major pressure on the solid waste management. And the next one is urbanization. As more people leave the villages and move to cities, it becomes a burden to the solid waste management system as they cannot collect waste in a compact urban society. So some of the waste are dumped in random places of the urban city, which leads to health hazards as well. So the next one is economic development. When there is an economic growth, it often leads to higher waste generation, and it requires improved waste management strategies. For example, if there is a family with high income, the waste generated by the family is also more compared to the family which has less income. So there are a few strategies in this for waste management also. So the next one is waste composition. There are many types of wastes which impact solid waste management. For example, hazardous, non-hazardous, and degradable, biodegradable wastes, etc. So as we can see in the pie chart here, the most amount of waste generated is the kitchen waste and the paper and board waste. So most of them are so-called recyclable and plastic is 12%. So this is a nice pie chart. So the next one is technological advancement. So there are many innovations for waste treatments. So there are many technologies implemented for waste management and stuff. So this is a major step towards sustainability, and there are many technologies which support segregation of wastes, for example. And the next one is geography and climate. So natural disasters may influence waste disposal choices. And for example, tropical, dry, and temperate climates are very good for decomposition. So the waste must be collected at least once a day or 6 times a week because the decomposition rate is high. And if it's a continental or polar area, the waste can be collected for every 2 times a week or 3 times a week as the decomposition rate is low. So, so the conclusion is you're a waste warrior as you got to know the major 6 factors which are affecting the waste management. And yeah, congratulations for the fantastic adventure gained. Thank you.